Somebody say Jamaica and Trinidad are brother and sister country. But me know say we are the brother and them are the sister. I joke me I make. So we are share the Jamaican vibes with the Trinidad brother. Zane, good evening my brother. Where in Trinidad are you from and what is your name?
Well, you don't know, my name is Isaiah. Originally grew in Trinidad, South Trinidad to be Pacific, place called Siparia.
Isaiah the prophet, you hear that? So tell me now, I know say you hear say Jamaica and Trinidad always in a clash. Who you think have more vibes, Jamaica or Trinidad?
I wouldn't really say it's a clash, you know. It's just like they have a lot of similarities, you know. And, you know, sometimes people could try to make competition, but I don't really think it's nothing like that, you know.
Alright, watch your style. Jamaican love football, Trinidad love football. Cristiano Ronaldo or Messi?
Messi.
You know, too late for take back your answer now, but you know what I say now. What's one thing about Trinidad culture you think the world underrate?
Carnival. Because the reason why I say that because only the Caribbean islands mostly take part in it, and it's something that I think is way bigger than just the Caribbean, you know.
Okay.
Alright, soca or dancehall, if you for vibe to just one of them for the rest of your life, what you would have picked?
A lot of Trinidadians do be vexed with me with dancehall.
Dancehall, who are your favorite dancehall artists?
It depends on like what type
if you
of
for
genre.
pick one music for listen to your rest, one artist for listen to the rest of your life, who you would have picked?
Hey, that hard one by Chronics.
Chronics, alright, Chronics, big up yourself. Zane, and survival thing you learn as a real Trini man.
Well, bro, you know, when we growing up long time and you know, sometime you know food in the house and thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, just make a little, like rice and butter and them thing, you know.
Rice and butter. What you know about rice and butter? Anyway, big up yourselves. Thanks to talk to it today. You see me, we always know so we are one brother and one family. Or one brother and one sister. I joke there make all Trinidad people big up on yourself. I'm out 876 culture, out in the streets. Bless up yourself.